So hello guys, today we will see how to install latest LTS version of Node. We will be following this blog from DigitalOcean. So this is the script to install, which is provided from the Node version manager. We will install this script onto our bash using this curl and then bash command. And then what we will do, we need to source the r.bash rc file in order to read the script. Yes. So now using this npm list remote command, we will be able to find all the latest versions. We will install the latest LTS version, which is 16.15.0, and wait for to download. Now, yeah, it is installed. As you can see, we will be verifying the installation using this node.js version. Also, a simple way to check if npm is installed or not. Thank you.